Tole nagaan isiniif haa ta'u hordoftoonni maatii Power of Education akkam bultan. Ani nagaadha waaqayyoof galanni haa ta'u. Har'as akkuma baratame guyyoota muraasa booddee gara keessanitti deebi'een jira. Akkuma beektan hojii bukkeedhaan baay'ee waan hin hojjedhuufidha. Hojii barsiisummaa bukkeetti hojii waajjira biroo keessan akka argitan jiru kana hojii dabalataa hedduu hojjechaati. Yeroo tokko gara keessan kan hin dhufu. Kanaaf har'as akkuma baratame isin barsiisa irraa barattu jedhee waan hin yaadi tokko qabadhee isiniif dhufeera. Yeroo hundumaa akkuma isinitti himu waan nama barsiisu isinii qabadhee dhufa. Waan hin dhufii korraa muuxannoo argadhu, waan dhufii korraa beekumsa dabalataa argadhu isinis akka fayyadamtanidha kaayyoon hundeeffama YouTube kana waan ta'eef yeroo darbee mata duree torbee kana waan haaraa maaltu jira, what's new this week, በዚህ ሳምንት ምን አዲስ ነገር አለ በሚል መጀመራችን ይታወቃል። ስለዚህ ዛሬም አንድ አዲስ ነው ትማሩበታላችሁ ብዬ ያሰብኩትን ነው ይዤ የመጣሁት። So in our today's was new this week. I'm here with today again with new topic. I'm going to present some topic that you will learn from it. The main goal, aim of this YouTube is to teach you, to inform you, to tell you the new thing is. So I'm here with you with new topic. So follow me. Na ordofaan wajjin bu'aa wanta haaraa torbee kana hidhee kan isinii gaddiisu kana kan dhufee jiru kanatti isiniif gaddiisaa irraa barattu yeroo gaarii qabadha. Well, in our today's lesson, we are going to discuss on chapter 2 about basic operation in surveying as introduction part. So, under introduction parts, basic operation in surveying. In surveying, there are some basic operations that we have to follow, especially to measure some distances, either vertical or horizontal. It has its own basic operation. So we will see this today in few minutes. So the first step, let's start from the definition. Distance between 2 points on the Earth's surface is determined, and it has to be horizontal distance. The distance between 2 points should be reduced into this equivalent horizontal distance by field procedure for applying a slope correction. So it has some methods that we have to know the way we use them and what they are, and these precise steps to do them for accurate measurements. The first one is spacing, used for approximate measurement quickly or to check measurement and made by more precise means. It's called pacing. The second one is odometer, for rough measurements by rolling the wheel along the line that be measured and counting the number of revolutions is the second distance measurement. So the third is tachometer, as the rapid indirect means of determining distance, the useful in topographic surveying, that is indirect methods, or the other way we can measure a distance is called tachometer, especially for topographic surveying. The other thing, and the fourth, which is very important, EDM, which means electronic distance measurements, works based on the speed of light electromagnetic waves. This is directly related with another course which we call remote sensing, is electrometers distance measurements, used for measuring long distance and for construction layout. Tapping, that is the traditionally we know we use in our So, tachyometer is the rapid indirect means of determining distance that is useful into topographic surveying, particularly among the different types of surveying. Tachyometer is very important, especially in topographic surveying. The fourth, as I told you, EDM, which is electronic distance measurement, works based on the speed of light that are electromagnetic waves. It's used for measuring long distance and for the construction layouts. The fifth is tapping, which is what we call as meter that we use locally. The steel tape, varying in length from 1 meter to 300 meters, are used in what? In distance measurements. Choice of method, we have different choices to measure these distances by using different methods. For example, most boundary control and construction survey involved long lines and large areas can be performed most accurately and economically using modern EDM equipment, which is electronic distance measurements. Just you have to remind this one in your mind. EDM means electronic distance measurement. When short distance or specific construction layout requirements are present, taping the distance can more practical for short distance, or for specific construction layout requirements, this taping is important or more preferable. Stadia are still used for small topographic and preliminary surveys for projects of limited extent. The method used for horizontal distance measurement depends on the accuracy of the work, cost of operation, and other conditions. Thirdly, the chain surveying or tapping. Chain surveying is the method of land surveying where the only linear measurements are made. Remember, chain surveying is used for linear measurements, just like that. It means about measuring the meters, single measurements. So, an instrument used for this chaining is the chain, widely used method for measuring distance. Tape, made in variety of materials, lengths, and weights. The steel tape or metallic tape. These are the instruments used for chain surveying. Woven metallic tape is a ribbon of the waterproofed fabric into which are woven small brass or bronze wires to prevent its stretching. It is a stretching. Non-metallic glasses or fiber tapes. Non-metallic glass for fiber tapes, which are non-conducting of the electricity, have been developed for our measurement. For our measurement, invar tapes are used for very precise measurements, such as for baseline and city works. Steel tapes. These tapes are quite strong and long, as they are kept straight, but if they are tightened, when they have loops for kinks in them, they will be break very easily. So, additional instrument used in taping is range pole, tapping pins, plumb box, hand level, and the like. Let's see one again. Principle of chain surveying. In chain surveying, the area to be surveyed should be divided into the framework of triangles, which are the simplest geometrical figure that can be plotted in the three-side nouns. Checking lines or proof lines. Offsets. See? Offsets. And skewness, taping and ranging operations, angle measurement, taping around the obstructed lines, but ranging is possible. This means it is going to talk about the measurement errors, ranging operations, for example, angle measurement. When the angle measuring instrument like transit or theodolite are not available, tape can be used to determine the angle between two lines with 5 to 10 minutes for arc. For example, instead of transit or theodolite, sometimes we can use tape, steel tape, for measurement of angles. The second, taping around the obstructed lines, but ranging is possible. The area is obstructed, that means it is not visible, but the ranging is possible. One, for example, taping around the obstruction is possible when the natural or artificially formed structures such as meandering rivers, ponds, etc. obstructs. The use of taping measurement may be done around the obstruction as shown below, here, like this. So B, use of right angle triangle. This is the other method of obstructed areas measurement. Erecting a line perpendicular to survey line at point B. For example, let's give a name, point B, point A, point C, point D, around the pond or around the river, the area that's obstructed by something which we can't calculate or measure directly. So use of triangle methods. Erecting a line perpendicular to survey line at B and connecting the point with point on other side on the survey lines. C, the use right angle triangle on both sides of the survey lines. Please remember, it's talking about how to measure method of ranging around the obstructed areas. There are two types of methods: direct ranging and indirect ranging, and also random line ranging and the likes. So remember these things carefully. So it has its own calculations to do this. It has many steps like this. We should follow some steps to calculate these areas. So correction for errors in tape measurements. There are some, always in measurements, some errors may be occurred due to different factors. For example, instrumental error, you see, human error, accidental error, and some errors are there. So the way we can correct them, the first one is incorrect length of tape made in tape measurements. Maybe incorrect length of tape. The length of the steel tape may vary when it is kinked, worn, and imperfectly repaired. This also makes the problems. The correction to be applied to any measurement made within the tape in order to account for the deviation is called absolute correction, called absolute CA, true length, nominal length. So B, misalignment of tape. This is also the error happened during measurement. Misalignment of taping or directly an alignment of the tape also made an error.
Well, dear learners, I hope you have got something. I think you are benefited from this lesson. That is what we expect. We are very happy for everything you have from us. Thank you very much. For more lesson, please follow our channel, share for others, inform others, and we will continue together. Bye. Thank you.